Hello everyone, thanks for watching Rainbow tutorial video. Today I will show you how to digitize latest logo by Rainbow Digitizing software. At first we can click this button to open the logo picture and then adjust the logo, the pattern size. For example, we make the pattern height to be 16 millimeter and then click this button. Because it's a JPG bitmap picture, so we need to draw the outline of the letters manually and fill satin stitches into the design. So at first we can draw the outline of the letter S, and here is a street, so we can left click here, and here is a curved line, so we need to right click. And here next is a street, then we can left click here. And next is a curved line, we need to right click. You can see the dot, if the dot is round, so it's a right click. If it's a square, if the dot is a square, then it's a left click. Okay, next is a straight line, we need to left click. Okay, and press enter. Okay, this part stitches had been filled successfully, you can see, and then we can change color, make it be similar with the logo. Okay, and then we can draw we can fill stitches into the small parts. Because you can see, you can click this button to show the stitches list. Because this stitches was made at beginning, so we can fill stitches in the small circle to cover the starting point of the S stitches. Then because it's a curved line, so we need to right click. Here is our right click. Okay, press enter. Also change the color. Okay, you can see machine will embroider the S first and then embroider the small circle to cover the starting point of the letter S. If we start with the satin stitches directly, the first satin stitches will be very loose. So if we can cover the first satin stitches by other patterns, then that will be better. And then we can build stitches in this part. You can see here is a street. You can left click. And here is a curved line, we need to right click. If you click wrong position, you can press backspace button on keyboard to cancel the point. And the next is a street, so we left click here. Okay, press enter and change color. You can see this is the result. And also we can adjust this part a little. Select this part and click this button. We can adjust the dots. Make it more smooth. Okay. Okay, this is the first letter. And also remember to add the round stitches here, because you can see these stitches get start with the satin stitches directly. So here maybe the first stitches may be very loose, so we need to fill a round stitches. This is the round stitch button, and add round stitches under the satin stitches here, and press enter. And you can see also change the color and pull the embroidery sequence, make it above this part. That means machine will embroider here first, and then embroider the small circle, and then embroider the round stitches, and here embroider this part, so that the starting point will be the round stitch but not the satin stitch. Then it will be better effect here. Okay, the next letter. We can start from this part and then fill satin stitches to cover the starting point. So because here is a curved line, so we need to right click here and here. And next is a straight line, so we left click here and left click, and then press enter and set color, adjust it a little. Okay, and then fill stitches here. Also, you can see it's a get start from satin stitches directly. So we need to fill round stitches here first. You can select the color first, and then no need to change the color. Okay, this is a round stitches and it ends here. So we can continue to fill the satin stitches. Okay, this letter had been done. Okay, the next one. Also, we can get start from this point. And because it's curved line, so we right click here. Okay, we can make it longer because it will be covered by the next stitches. And then fill stitches to cover the starting point. Because here it's you can see it's almost straight. it's almost a straight line, so we can left click here. And next is a curved line, so we need to right click here. Okay, and press enter. Okay, this one is okay now. The letter B is the same. You can say these stitches get started from here and end here, so we can continue the next stitches from this point. Then machine will not cut thread and get start here directly. So we no need to fill wrong stitches here because it will not cut thread and get start from here directly. And press enter. Okay. Okay, the next letter O. We can fill sighten stitches directly because here is a curved line. So here we right click here and right click here. It's a regular letter, so we can draw the outline like this directly. And here we can make it longer to cover the first starting sentence stitches, make it longer. And press enter. And then adjust the point a little. Okay. Next, the letter D is the same with the letter B. Here is a straight line, so left click here, and the next is a curved line, so right click here. Right click here. And the next is a straight line, so left click here. Okay, press enter. And then this stitch gets start here and end here, so next we can get start here directly. Then machine no need to cut thread because it's a straight line, so here it's a left click to cover the starting and the ending point of the stitches. Okay. And adjust this part a little. Make it smooth. Okay. Okay, so looks better now. The next letter O is the same with the first one, so we can copy it directly. At first, select it and push Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V. You can see there is a new one copied here and pull it to the correct position. Okay. Okay. The last letter C. You can see we need to get start from here, and so it get start with the sighten stitches. So we can draw the round stitches first, and here. So machine will embroider the round stitch here, and then embroider the sighten stitches, and without cutting thread. So that makes the first sighten stitches be tight enough. You can see this is the round stitches had been here, and then we get start here. Here is a curved line, so we right click here. Okay, press enter and adjust the points a little. Okay, it's done. And finally, we can save it as a SMB format first. This is the orange field of the pattern. That we can modify the pattern easily. For example, we test the design by machine, and maybe some parts need to be modified. So we can open the SMB. We can open the SMB format field directly and modify it. And then we can output the design as a DST format. And then we can copy the DST. This is the DST file. And we can copy it to machine by USB disk and test the pattern directly. And this is the SMB format. This is the orange field for easy modification. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.